equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively open your laptop without causing any damage. First, power off your Lenovo Legion Y540 and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you'll see the battery and the charging jack. The battery is usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws and disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, let's focus on the charging jack. It's often soldered onto the motherboard, so you'll need to carefully desolder it. If you're not comfortable with soldering, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. Once the old charging jack is removed, take your new charging jack and position it correctly on the motherboard. Solder it in place, ensuring a solid connection. After that, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. It's essential to ensure that all connections are secure before proceeding. Now, let's clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside your laptop. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can handle this for you if you prefer. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion Y540 to test the new battery and charging jack. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully completed the replacement. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with any further assistance you may need. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.